Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kaitlyn Jones, and today I decided to do a halo eye. If you guys follow me on my social media accounts, you guys know how much I love my halo eyes, and that is because I do have hooded eyes and not as big eyes. I don't have a lot of lid space, and I feel like halo eyes are one of the makeup looks that really complement hooded eyes and makes them look a lot bigger than they actually are, and you have a lot of room to play around. So today I used the Morphe 3502 palette for the first time to achieve this look, and it's a little bit of a pinky, peachy, nudie kind of halo eye, and I absolutely love how it turned out. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then please just keep watching. Okay, so we're going to start out with the brows first, and I'm just going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color dark brown, and I like to start from the bottom of my brow, do the center, like the middle portion of my brow, and then fill out the top.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Now I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer, and that's what I use for the front of my brow. For the middle and tail of my brow, I like using the Brow Wiz because it gives more of a darker effect, which I like toward the back of my brow. But I like using the definer in the front because it gives that gradient effect. And then I'll be going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the lightest shade they have. I think it's actually just called Light. And I'm going to be carving out the bottom of my brows with that, and also priming my eyelid for the eyeshadow. And I'm just going to be blending that out with a tiny beauty blender. It's actually a Real Technique sponge that I found at Ulta. It's one of the mini versions. I'm just going to be using that and also my finger to blend that out. And then I'll be going in with my Essence Brow and Lash Mascara Gel. And this is what I use to just keep my brows in place all day long. And I found that it's really effective, and I really like it a lot compared to some of the higher end brands. I feel like this works just fine. Now I'm just going to apply some tape, and then I'm going to go in with my transition shade, which is Orb from the Morphe 3502 palette. And like I said, I'm just going to use that as a transition shade for the other colors I will be applying after this. And I really love this color because it looks very natural on the eye. It's not too heavy. Like, it's not too dark, but it's also not too light. It looks very nice in the crease of the eye. And then I will also be going in with the shade Ablaze, and that's what I'm going to be using for the crease color. And since I do have hooded eyes, I like going a little bit above my crease and kind of creating my own, just so that when I open my eyes, you'll be able to see all the shadows that I'm applying.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Next, I'll be going in with the shade right next to it, which is Heat, and I'll be applying that in the outer and inner corners to create that halo eye effect. And I'm just using an Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that usually comes with her palettes, the double-sided one. I'm using the shorter haired, more condensed brush to apply the shadows, and I'm going to flip it over and use the fluffier blending side now to blend it all out. And I'm just going to keep packing that color on and then blending it out.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to...
Next, I will be going in with the shade right under Ablaze, which is Terracotta. And I wanted to go in with a darker color for the halo eye, just to make it pop a little bit more. So I'm going to apply that exactly where I applied Ablaze. And the same thing, I'm just going to keep packing that on and then blending it out with the same exact brush. I'm just cleaning it off between applications. And now I am going to start concealing. And I've seen a couple YouTubers do this. I know Alyssa and Destiny do this. I will tag their channels down below. But I've seen them do this in a few of their tutorials where they apply the concealer on their lid and then they open their eyes to see where they're going to start cutting their crease. And I really like that idea. I've done it a few times before and it's really helped me out, especially since we all do have hooded eyes. I really loved this idea once I saw them doing it, so I decided to try it out myself, and it really works. I've been doing this for a while now since I've been following their channels, and I love it. And now I'm going to blend that out with the same beauty blender.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And now I'm going to go in with Heat again. And basically do the same thing. Just apply that in the inner and outer quarters and then keep blending. And then after that, I'll go in once again with the color Terracotta and pack that on and then keep blending that as well.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Now I'm going to remove the tape, and I felt like the line was a little bit too sharp for a halo eye. I kind of like my halo eyes to be a little bit messier. So I'm just taking another clean blending brush and just trying to remove that harsh line a little bit. And then I'm going to apply mascara after this. I'm applying my L'Oreal Voluminous mascara, and I'm just prepping my eyelashes for my false lashes. And today I'll be using the Queen Bee KoKo Lashes. Well, it's KoKo Lashes in the kind Queen Bee. I'm a mess. And then I'm just going to be going in with Pure and applying that to my brow bone to highlight, and also the inner tear duct of my eye, just to give it a little pop. And here I am applying my lashes, and then after that, this look is complete. I didn't want to do a full face because it would take way too long, and I've done plenty of full faces before, but my next video will be a full face routine, so you'll be able to see what I do. But besides that, this is the end of the eye look. Okay guys, so that was it. That was how I achieved this look right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and as always, if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the post notifications so you can be notified every time I upload a video, which I promise will be more often. I am so excited to get back into YouTube and back into filming. I have so many ideas I want to do, so just be on the lookout. Just be on the lookout for that. So until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.